Hi there, my name is Ian Grant and I'm the CEO of Pulse Technology Hub. So I thought I'd take some time today just to explain the business and a little bit about why it was formed and some of the key components of the business. My previous history was in oil and gas operations, obviously the energy industry now as we've moved into different parts of the energy industry. But what I saw towards the end of my career was an opportunity to help proven technology from overseas or other places to come into Australia and support the industry here in Australia, perhaps showcase that equipment and get people familiar with it and then help with implementation. I met some really interesting people. We connected, we spoke a lot about values, about family, about lifestyle, about some of the gaps that we saw in the energy market. And when we got together, I guess we clicked and we talked about an idea. We took it from there really. So it's called Pulse Technology Hub. You may have seen some of my articles on LinkedIn. There's 5 streams that we intend to look at when we're running the business. One will be new energy, one is health and wellness, one is automation and robotics, one is AI and workflow, and finally we're looking at decommissioning and rehabilitation. So all things that are very relevant to the entire energy industry, but also things that we feel that we can add value in. So I think the key thing that attracted me to Pulse and to the other founders was that alignment around our values, our desire to support businesses. We've got a building that we've just leased for 5 years in the central business district of Perth. We're going to call it the Technology Hub, but also within that hub there's a gallery component, which is where we get to showcase technology products from, again, mostly other parts of the world. We can get people in, we can let them see the equipment, we can let them touch them, interact with them, and then hopefully that gives a little bit of comfort as they're going forward as to how these products can be deployed here in Australia. And as you go into some of the other parts of the building, we've got an event space, we've got a conference and boardroom, and when people start to work in there, perhaps doing innovation workshops, perhaps attending a showcase from one of our partners, they can really think differently and they're not being distracted by their own workstation or their laptops or some of these things. So we feel that the experience of Pulse is going to be something really valuable. And the other arm that we have at Pulse is called Pulse Services. That's really centred around our workshop and warehouse in Jandakot. And down there we've got the ability to store equipment, but we can also receive it, we can maintain it, we can check it, we can ship it out, or we can even base project workforces there as well. I hope people want to come and have a look at what we're doing, and if they can participate in some way, that would be amazing. But we're always very keen to show you around. Thank you.